Hello and welcome back to Trusted Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your Samsung Galaxy S25 not charging to 100%. Let's begin. So, let's simply go into settings, let's scroll down a little and let's enter battery. Now, you want to check battery protection. Usually you probably will have it enabled, but it's really important to see what it's set to. Now if we click it, you will notice that I have it set to maximum, which means that my battery will stop charging when it reaches 80%. So I will never be able to even get close to 100 because it will never even get into 90 in the first place. That's pretty bad. Of course, some people enable this feature like mindfully, they want it to happen. But if you have troubles and if you have searched for this video, then this means that you didn't want this to happen, which is completely fine. All you want to do is you want to switch from basic, and if you find this really annoying, you can also disable the adaptive protection, but I do think that this is kind of a really good feature, but it needs to get used to your sleep schedule patterns. But anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.